wanted to try to get a video put up last night, but I didn't get around to it. So I'm doing it today. Had 3 days off for Memorial Day, and I did accomplish a lot. Cleaned my closet for one. As you can tell, I need to clean my desk too. Crazy shit. I got side scoop back on my car, which I'll show you a picture right now. Just got the mail, and I can never remember if they go, I think it's May. This is the May one. Not quite sure. I didn't even open it yet. Oh yeah, I opened them. I don't need forced to because my dad likes them more, almost as much as I did. Old style drawstring backpack. That's nice. That. Some good shit it feels like in there too. Okay. That's a shirt. I like to save them for last. Ice wash and wax. Yeah, more soap. Okay. A little anti-climatic. Good stuff though. Really like that. Really like that bag. It's very cool. Probably use it this weekend going to Colorado. Shirt this month is pretty cool too. It does feel a little bit heavier than the other ones. I like that. Also got a set of these 1/18 scale Mustang metal decals for die-cast vehicles or model kits in 1/18 scale. I have another one that says it's 1/24 scale, but I think they're about the same size. Which I need these because I never really noticed how terribly detailed green light die casts are. Like I took a couple here, a couple there, and took them out of the box, and I took them out of the box just to put on display because, you know, they're like 30, and they have this kind of decal, these kind of decals on. None of them are straight. The one on my 76 Stallion is the V8 emblem is down at the bottom. Plus, it's missing a fog light. A lot of the rear of the cars, where it says Mustang, that's letters missing here, letter missing there, and I didn't take that one out. The California Special, the horse emblems are cattywampus. New word of the day, cattywampus. Yeah. Whatever. Hopefully do some custom work on them.
Taco Bell and KFC.